I like silence when I surf. Looking out to the horizon, it's like another world. Dolphins swim by, there's no rules. There's just you, the ocean, there's no traffic, there's no stop signs, there's no interference. It's nature aligning perfectly at just the right moment. That changes your mindset. I'm Cameron Weiss, and I am the founder and master watchmaker here at Weiss Watch Company. Watches are a very personal object, something that you build a really strong bond with. All of our watches are made start to finish by one person, and that's myself. To actually have a watchmaker assembling start to finish, and to be doing that here in the US, where we are also making the parts, there's no other watch like that. I think it was around 4 years old, my great aunt gave me a watch. What really fascinated me was there was a little machine that was on my wrist and I could take it everywhere. For my high school graduation present, my parents said you could pick out a watch or we could get you tools to work on watches. So I chose the tools. From there, the fascination grew. The only way you're going to learn new things in watchmaking is from an older watchmaker. I actually went to Switzerland and worked under one of their master watchmakers. It was unbelievable. I met my wife, Whitney, sophomore year, and we've been together ever since. It's definitely amazing to look back at it and see how far we've come, and to actually see our watches out in the world. We're making something that is a mix of art and micromechanics. It may be a piece of art, but it also has to keep time. Most of our parts, we're dealing with tolerances that are a fifth of the diameter of a human hair. We've been working on a special Allen Edmonds collaboration timepiece. To have a company like Allen Edmonds actually giving back, we can teach this trade to more people, and maybe someday they'll go off and start their own business. There's something so American about it. There are clocks on all of our electronic devices, but the thing that a mechanical watch has is the craft. Everything that led up to the creation of it, all the care and effort and knowledge that went into the making of it. And I'm very proud of that I couldn't imagine my life without watchmaking.